36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking around, eating, talking, sleeping, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
That way, this is the people versus Teresa Renfro, ticket number SP 1385965, count 1, open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, PA 5907, appearing on behalf of Ms. Renfro. Ma'am, please unmute your device, state your name on the record. Have to unmute your device, ma'am.
Teresa Renfro.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's a day and time scheduled for a show cause. For purposes of show cause, wait for a reading, stand mute, continue your plea of not guilty. And at this time, we're requesting a trial by bench, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Renfro. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for April 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, can we bring his Officer Corbin?
Yeah, he's there.
Officer Corbin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is Tamika Horn. I'm the city attorney, city prosecutor on the case. Did you want to go into a breakout room to discuss, or did you want to speak here? It's up to you. I'll probably go in a breakout room to discuss. I just want to know how the event was. So give me a minute. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, I'll talk to you in a second.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You have to sit up, Mr. Rainey.
This is the people versus Amaya Davis, ticket number SP 1214625, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, appearing on behalf of Ms. Amaya Davis. Ma'am, state your name for the record. I don't see her, Your Honor.
She's not on. Had she checked in?
Yeah, she did. She blinked out. She came out and blinked out somewhere.
Well, Your Honor, we were asking for an adjournment until May. She has, I believe she's on probation right now, so I don't want her to plead guilty and affect that probation. Can we get an adjournment out to May?
The recommendation is to dismiss. You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
It's dismissed. Hopefully she'll pop back up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is
Thank
the
you,
people
Honor.
versus Cheyenne Rollins, ticket number SP 1223771, count 1, drove while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 1159980, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, appearing on behalf of Ms. Rollins. Ms. Rollins, unmute your device and state your name on the record.
Good morning. My name is Cheyenne Rollins.
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to review Ms. Rollins' license and her insurance, and she is in compliance. I believe Ms. Horn does stipulate to dismiss those two matters.
Tamika Horn, I'm appearing on behalf of the city, P70303. No objection, Your Honor.
All right, you did indicate you stipulated the proper cause, Mr. Barrow.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice, as Ms. Rollins has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Ms. Rollins. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. Did you want this ready, Kyle, or-
I'm okay, Your Honor. Thank you. I'll just zoom in after. I put two offers in.
This is the people versus Fred Davis, ticket number SP 780521. Count one, fails to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Fred Davis, unmute your device. State your name on the record, sir.
Look on the bottom left-hand corner, sir, to unmute yourself. Bottom left-hand corner should be the microphone. Tap that. Figure out how to unmute yourself, Mr. Davis. While we're doing that, I'll call another case. This is the people versus Anita Robinson, ticket number SP 1394999, count three, failed to display an operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Anita Robinson.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, I did have a discussion with Ms. Horn, and at this time, I believe she would like to see Ms. Robinson's permit. Is that correct, Ms. Horn?
I'm sorry, say that again, Mr. Barrow. I was out of the
You
courtroom.
wanna see her
Oh.
permit?
If she wants to put it up to the screen, that'd be great. I did write it up just in case I wasn't here.
Okay. Hold it up a little higher, Ms. Robinson.
Okay,
That
and
good?
when does it, can you tell, because I can't tell from the courtroom, when does it expire, Miss Robinson?
It expires, July 31st, 2023.
Okay, yes, ma'am, thank you. The people will move for dismissal, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Barrow. You're muted, Mr. Barrow.
Oh, Your Honor, stipulated the probable cause for dismissal, I believe. Sorry.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Robinson. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, and you have a nice day.
You too, thank you. This is the people versus Fred Davis, ticket number SP 780521, count one, fails to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, state your name for the record.
Fred Davis.
Thank you. Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Davis would like to avail himself to the offer of one count of failure to display or an amended charge of failure to display.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis.
Okay.
Is your right hand raised, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Barrow, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
But knowing that, excuse me, knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
No, I don't wish to go to trial.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to December 6, 2017 at 2:40 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Elmhurst Street or Santa Rosa Drive in the city of Detroit,
Yes.
driving a 2000 Oldsmobile vehicle.
Yes.
Had you failed to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yes.
Is satisfied, Mr. Barrow?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine, Mr. Davis. Can you have that fine paid by April 13th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am. Will my license be renewed and everything? Or will I get a paper?
Go
Mr.
ahead.
Davis, that's not for the court. That's Secretary of State that handles licensing matters, okay?
Okay, because I know I went down there and they said my stuff was expired or something. So when I went to renew them.
Yeah, there's probably, this could potentially be holding you back. There could be other matters. Best advice, go to Secretary of State, inquire as to what is preventing you from getting that license.
Because I already had some, so I don't know why they was suspended.
And unfortunately,
Okay.
neither do I. There could be several reasons, Mr. Davis.
Okay,
Okay? Have a good day, sir.
okay. All right.
All right, have a good one, Mr. Davis. Good luck, sir. This is the
Okay,
people-
court is over.
Yes,
It
sir. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. This is the people versus Nikesha Davis, ticket number SP 1367427, count one, drive on license suspended. Ticket number 21729934, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 130248, count three, drive on license suspended. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Baraping on behalf of Ms. Davis. And then state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nikesha Davis.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, purposes of the arraignment, wait for a reading, stand you in your plea of not guilty. At this time, Ms. Davis would like to avail herself to the offer of pleading guilty to an amended charge of failure to display, dismissal of the remainder.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Barrow, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes,
Now direct your attention to the date of June 29, 2022 at 5:12 p.m. on the date and time where you act near French and Divine Street in the city of Detroit.
yes,
Were you driving a 2007 Jeep vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Barrow?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by April 13th?
yes.
Did you have
I couldn't hear you. I'm sorry, Your
any
Honor.
questions?
No, Your Honor.
So you're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well. Have a great day, Your Honor.
You too.
Bye.
I think that's Ms. Horn. She wants to speak to. So if we open up the big breakout rooms, is it gonna pull everyone back
Yes, it will.
in? So if you get pulled back into a breakout room, just come back to the main session, okay? Ms. Davis, you're all set. You can hang up. Except for you, Officer Corbin. So everyone else can come out.
And I was just bringing Miss Lula Rayford out, depending on the trial.
Okay.
That wasn't sleep.
I was like, who is he talking to?
I was conducting business. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
I'm here. Trying to sneak that in on me, huh? One more. I ain't sleep.
All right, this is the people versus Deja Davis, ticket number SP 1074526, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Davis. Ms. Davis, state your name for the record. I'll mute your device first, please.
Deja Davis.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, at this time, we're just seeking a brief adjournment to allow Ms. Davis to get in compliance.
Let me just set it for a bench trial for April 3rd.
Perfect.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, you put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial? I didn't hear your answer.
no, I'm sorry, no.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date on April 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Have a good day.
You too. This is the people versus Nigel Dennis. Ticket number U 645-88222, count 1, trespassing, entering without owner's permission. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Dennis. Mr. Dennis, please state your name for the record, sir.
Nigel Dennis.
Thank you. Your Honor, I believe at this time there is stipulation from the prosecution to dismiss this matter.
You stipulate probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Dennis. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Can I get the case one time, please? Or is
You want the case number?
yes.
Yeah, it's U for unicorn 64.
You said my bad, my phone bad. I apologize. UG.
No, U6.
Oh, U6
45
45
88
8
222.
222. All right, I appreciate you.
No problem, sir.
All right.
I believe Miss Robinson is done. Boom,
I just,
boom.
we're just waiting on for Ms. Rayford. She's already being represented by Ms. Wilson.